Hello guys, like I said, this is a series of videos about the 12 tenses of the English language. This time, it's about simple past tense.
Eric teaches.
Hello guys, like I said, this is a series of videos about the 12 tenses of the English language. This time, it's about simple past tense. First is about the use of simple past tense, which is to express something that happened at a definite time in the past. For example, he went to the hospital yesterday. It is very important to know how to conjugate the verbs. For example, in this case, go should be went, the past form of go. We use went because in this case, the action happened in the past, which is yesterday. The time expression used is yesterday. Now let's proceed to how to make affirmative statement, negative statement, question, and short answers. First is with affirmative statements. Of course, you are going to use the past form of the verb. Like in this sample sentence, they played football last weekend. In here, we use played, the past form of the verb play. And the time reference you have here is last weekend. As you can see, the number of the subject doesn't matter anymore, unlike with the simple present tense. In here, whether your subject is singular or plural, you are still going to use the same verb form, which is the past form of the verb. Like in this example, played. Now with negative statements, you are going to use the auxiliary didn't and the base form of the main verb. It doesn't matter whether your subject is singular or plural. If you remember in simple present tense, you use doesn't for singular subject and don't for plural subject. This time with simple past tense, in negative, we use the auxiliary didn't and base form of the main verb. Now with question, you are going to use the auxiliary did and the base form of the main verb. Again, it doesn't matter whether your subject is singular or plural. If you remember in simple present tense, we use does for singular subject and do for plural subject. This time we use did and the base form of the main verb. Now with short answers, also it doesn't matter whether your subject is singular or plural. You are going to use the auxiliary did for a yes answer and didn't for a no answer. Here are the usual time expressions used with simple past tense. We have yesterday, last night, last week, last month, last year. Expressions with ago, for example, 2 minutes ago. Expressions with exact year, for example, in 1999. And phrase like when I was young. I hope you learned about simple past tense. Watch out for the next video about simple future tense.
Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. You might as well click the notification bell so that you will be updated with all my uploads. Thank you very much.